Hi everyone. Can we have as much people as we can get? Because today I'm going to talk about We Do Not Care Club. We're going to talk about We Do Not Care Club strictly for women. And because it's for women, I would love us to have as much women as possible as we can. I'm just so happy this evening. Mama. Hello, good evening, Baba K. Good evening. I'm in the right mood this evening, and honestly, I'm just so excited. I'm happy. I'm excited because I know something beautiful and loud is coming. I can see it, I can envision it. God is doing it. God is doing it for me, and I'm so grateful. And I need you guys to also be grateful. Yeah? When you're grateful to God, more good news, more good things will always come your way. Always try this. Always be in a positive mood. I know it's not easy. I know sometimes we'll feel like crying and all that and all that. Yes. But try as much as you can to always be in a positive mood. You know what the enemy meant for you for bad, God will turn around for good. Oh, travel with me. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. So please, let's have as much people as we can. Okay. Tonight, we are going to talk about We Do Not Care Club. You guys already know I've been posting it on my social media pages on We Do Not Care Club. Now, this club we're talking about is actually for women, strictly for women, and precisely women who are passing through menopause or who are going through menopausal syndrome, and also women who are tired of being judged, women who are tired of people questioning their life, trying to make them seem perfect when we already know that no one is perfect. People judging them, being judgmental over their life, their lifestyle, their choices, and all that. These are strictly for this club that we call We Do Not Care Club, right? That's why I would love we have so much women who can come up. And of course, our Resilient Roses program. Remember, guys, our Resilient Roses program are coming up. And please, I want to let you all know something very important. I posted, all right, I posted on my social media pages, for those of you who are following me both on Facebook and Instagram, and of course TikTok here, I have a foundation. Let me just start with this one, right? I have a foundation, Chiege's Redefined Foundation. And I'm sure you guys, if you're really following me up all this while, you should be, I'm sure you will see a lot of things I've been posting on my social media pages about my foundation. Now, this foundation will cater for children, children's welfare, children's safeguarding, everything that has to do with children's well-being. This is what my foundation is all about. And as God may have it, we've been on it for so many years, honestly, and we're still looking out for people who can assist in that foundation. Then we thank God this year, especially this term, some of our children that we train in that foundation did so well in the school, and we have one of them who graduated from primary school, and I'm so excited. I can't thank God enough. When you are doing something, especially when you are on a course of something, you think, because we are human beings, sometimes you think you are not getting it right, and all of a sudden there is something to be grateful to God about. Like, for example, when I call them my children. Yeah, I mustn't necessarily be their biological mom, but for the fact that these children are under me, I'm their mom. So I call them my children. So one of them, a boy, graduated from primary school, about to enter secondary school. Now, guys, this is something that needs to be happy about. This is something that needs to glorify God about, because I never knew it could happen. See, come on, I'm a mere mortal at the end of the day. I never knew that something like that could happen. Having one of them graduated and the rest are still in school. But my happiness is the ones that are still in school, in as much as I have the tender ones, I have the ones that are about coming up, like getting to that primary 6 again and that primary 5, about to graduate. So, guys, as I'm talking about this thing, like I don't want to shed tears, right? But I want to teach you guys something, yeah? I want to teach you guys something. It it pays to shine your light on another person's life. What I mean by that is, when you are doing God's work, like, God wants us to always reach out to people, always reach out to the downtrodden, or even reach out to someone who you and I know that is healthy, but because we don't know what another person is passing through in their private homes, when you reach out to them any way you can. What I mean by any way you can, for example, if you have clothes you're not wearing and you notice that person doesn't have a clothes and you choose to give that person part of the clothes you are not wearing, these are God's work. And of course, when you notice that somebody or someone, you mustn't necessarily know these people I'm talking about. It could be someone you see along the street. It could be someone you've been passing by all the time, or maybe you feel like helping out, going to old people's home, going to motherless babies home, giving arms to people on the streets, giving them food, for example. Giving them food. You can have a lot of food in your house, but your neighbor might be starving. Yes, your neighbor might be starving. So when you extend that helping hand to your neighbor or to the people out there, all these things gives joy. I'm trying to tell us how I'm feeling at the moment. Like, I feel like shedding tears, but honestly, this is my life. I'm not here to shed tears, but I'm feeling it. Like, I'm feeling it. I don't know how to explain it, but these are just the things that keeps me going. These are the things that makes me happy, reaching out to people in any way I can. Now, that's why I said my foundation, we're thriving. We're not yet there, but in God's eyes, we are there. And again, I'm soliciting for people who it touches their heart to support us in that Chiege's Redefined Foundation, right? I have people already who are helping me, and I cannot deny the fact that I have wonderful souls, angels in human form. When I mean angels in human form, I mean there are people, like, you keep asking yourself, are they real? Like, are they real? Are they human? Because human beings by nature, we tend to smack, we tend to get upset easily or get irritated over anything at all. But these are the people that helps me. I have a foundation, co-made foundation, an angel in human form. You guys mustn't necessarily know the people I'm talking about, but these are part of, like, this is who I am. I wouldn't want to hide people that have been supporting me, seeing through to everything going on in my foundation. I have a listening ear foundation, the ones that goes to me whenever I'm going to reach out to my children, and they assist me also. They assist me mostly in things like toiletries. They give me toiletries to share to the children in my foundation as well. And I have Co-Med Foundation. Co-Med Foundation, they're outside the country by Professor Dr. Dana. I can't say much. She has been every single thing. Like, I don't know how to put it anymore. When you are so grateful, sometimes you don't even know how to show how grateful you are. Like, whatever you are showing, you think it's not enough. That's the way I feel now. Like, I feel it's not enough to say thank you. I feel it's not enough to smile. at her. I feel it's not enough to say I'm grateful. I don't know how else to put it, but I'm grateful to her. And of course, with her assistant, Michelle, I am so grateful to these people. Each time I call them, they answer me. Even when I did not call them, they always answer. They check on me and the children. Now, I'm mentioning about my foundation because I'm sure you guys must have voice in my foundation. Among all the children in my foundation, his name is Chiemeze Oyanwa. He is the one with disability. It's a challenge. He's passing through cerebral palsy. I don't know if you guys know what it is, but Google the disease online. It has to do with joint. Every assistance we can get from anywhere at all, Mezwe needs. We have been doing this, but one person cannot do this alone. So I'm using this avenue to solicit for the innocent boy. Please, anything you can give to Mezwe, do it now. And don't think whatever you are doing is too small. Nothing is too small. I want to let you guys know that nothing is actually too small. For those of you in Nigeria, assuming you want to give to Mezwe, for example, 2,000 naira, and you believe that 2,000 naira is small. Now let me shock you. 2,000 naira can get Mezwe a wipe, like wipes, wipes. Wipes, what I mean by wipes is like baby wipes, even though Mezwe is not a baby. But you know how much they sell baby wipes here. They sell sort of some of them 2,000. They sell 2,005. Now 2,000 can get Mezwe wipes. Talk more of reasonable money that can get Mezwe his medicines, his basic essential needs, the things he needs. It's so difficult for the parents. The parents cannot handle it alone. I cannot handle it alone. That is why we need help anywhere, all over the world. How you can help, please. What I'm talking about is already posted on my Instagram handle. It's already posted here on TikTok. It's already posted on my Facebook page. So in case you don't really know what I'm talking about, go on my handle. You guys watching me right now on my TikTok, please click on my TikTok. You will see Mezwe. I posted him there. Mezwe needs our help. Okay? When you extend your helping hand to another person beside you, it goes a long way. It goes a long way. You mustn't really be that person's father, biological parents, or even by blood, but when you are helping people, they are your family already. So anything you guys can do for Mezwe, please do it now. No amount is too small. Mezwe is not working. He's a very brilliant child. I call him genius because he's really a genius. He schools. He goes to school. He's in secondary school. But he's suffering from cerebral palsy. We have some of his videos, right? But I have his pictures on my social media pages. Mezwe needs all the help. When you have such a genius, and unfortunately, this is what came into his life. He did not ask for this. But it has happened, it has happened. So we're trying all our best to keep Mezwe going, to keep Mezwe alive. And of course, the rest of the children in my foundation, they need help. They need help. We've been carrying all these things through, paying school fees, and by God's grace, we are managing it. We are managing it, but we need more help. We need more help in terms of their school fees, in terms of their feeding, that is food, in terms of their clothing. Do you guys know that so many children doesn't know what toy is all about? They don't have toys. Their parents cannot even afford toy. They don't have anything that keeps little children busy and excited. These are the things we call childhood life, like your dreams as a child. They do not have all these little things. So you see what I mean by anything you can afford. If you can afford clothes for them, you are highly welcome. If you can afford school shoes for them, you are highly welcome. If you can afford foodstuffs, you are highly welcome. If you can afford their school fees, like we've been paying and still paying, please, you are welcome to do that. If you can afford undies like their pants, their shorts, their stockings, all those essential needs. If you can afford their blankets, we're in the cold weather. It rains every blessed day right now. These kids, majority doesn't have blankets. Majority doesn't have sweaters. Majority of them, if not all, doesn't have all these essential needs I'm mentioning here. Whatever you feel you can gift them, please reach out to me, send me a message. I will reach out to you, then we can talk on how you can do that. If you feel that what you can afford is financial side of it, financial help, if you have cash to give, please, you are welcome to donate to my foundation, Chiege Redefined Foundation. I will be expecting any of you that are ready to reach out to me. Please contact me through inbox. I will reach out to you as well. Then we can talk on how you can send your donation, be it in material donation or in cash donation. And what my foundation will do for you, for those of you who will want that, we are going to announce it, right? We are going to announce this. If you have a company you want us to advertise for you, we're going to advertise it for you. But if you feel you don't want to be seen, you want to do it anonymously, you are highly welcome. We will just, however you want your own to be seen, we will do that for you. All right. That is all for my foundation, Chiege Redefined Foundation. But please, again, make sure you reach out to me through my inbox and we can take it off from there. God bless each and every one of you.